On 3rd and goal to the end zone, touchdown. There is a flag. Catch made by Devontae Parker.
Devontae Parker is going to motion in. And again, this prevents the press man. And as soon as he turns around, look at that. Wow. Great concentration. He takes the hit.
Baby! Woo! Tua time! There you go! There you go, baby! Yeah! Yeah! There we go! I love it!
Accuracy, man. Look, and Christian Wilkins, now remember, they played against each other in the national championship game